Welcome back to Easy English Friends. I'm Emma, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
Hey, Emma. Hey, everyone. It's good to be back.
You look relaxed today, Ben.
Yes, I had a slow morning. I made some toast. I sat on my couch. Very easy.
Nice. I love a slow morning. And actually, slow mornings are perfect for our topic today.
Oh, why slow mornings?
Because sometimes on slow mornings, we shop. And when we shop, we talk about prices.
Ah, I see where you're going.
Yes. Today we talk about how to talk about prices and discounts in English.
Oh, great. I need this. I always forget what to say.
Don't worry, we will make it simple and fun.
Perfect. Let's save some money today.
So today we help you. We make it simple.
Great. Let's do it.
So, Ben, imagine we are shopping.
Okay, I'm ready.
You see a nice jacket. You want to know the price. What do you say?
How much is this?
Yes, perfect. Short, clear, simple.
How much is this?
Good. Say it again with a soft voice at the end.
How much is this?
Nice. That small rise at the end makes it sound friendly.
Great tip.
Now I answer as the shop worker.
Okay.
It's $40.
Oh, $40.
And maybe you think that is too much. What can you say?
That's a little expensive.
Yes, very natural.
Or I can say, do you have a cheaper one?
Yes, good job. Very honest.
And if I like the price?
Then say, that's a good price. Or, that's not bad.
That's not bad. I like that one. Sounds cool.
Yeah, it sounds easy and friendly. Now, let's add discounts.
Oh, yes. My favorite.
If you want to ask about discounts, you can say, is there a discount?
Is there a discount? Good.
Or you can ask, is this on sale?
On sale. Yes, I see that everywhere.
When something is on sale, it means the price is lower.
Aha! Sale means cheaper.
Exactly.
So, if the worker says, yes, it's on sale, what can they say next?
They might say, it's 20% off.
Oh yeah, percent talk.
Yes. And sometimes they say, you save $5.
I love hearing that.
Me too. Makes me smile.
What about buy one, get one?
Oh, the famous deal. We say, buy one, get one free.
Or buy one, get one half off.
Yes, you know these well.
I shop a lot, Emma.
I see that. Let's practice a small conversation. I am the shopper this time.
Okay, I'm the worker.
Yes. Ready?
Ready.
Excuse me, how much is this hat?
It's $15.
Is there a discount?
Yes, it's on sale. You save $3 today.
Oh, nice. I'll take it.
Very good. Want a bag?
Yes, please.
And done. That will be $12.
Perfect.
I feel like a real cashier.
You were great.
Keep going.
Okay, let's talk about big prices.
Big numbers can be scary.
True. So let's make it simple.
Please, my brain gets sleepy with big numbers.
When something is very expensive, we say, that's too much for me.
Too much for me.
Or that's out of my budget.
Oh, budget. I like that word.
Yes, budget means the money you plan to spend.
So if a phone costs $1,000, I say, that's out of my budget.
Exactly.
What about very cheap things?
Then say, that's a great deal.
Great deal.
Or, what a bargain.
Bargain. That sounds fun.
Yeah, it's a nice word.
Can we do a mini story?
Yes, I love mini stories. Scene 1, Emma and Ben go to a street market.
Ooh, I like it already.
I see a bag. It looks cool.
What color?
Yellow. Bright yellow.
Wow, bold choice.
Yes, I like bold things. So I ask the seller, how much is this bag?
And the seller says, it's $50.
I make a face.
A sad face?
Yes, and I say, that's a little expensive.
Then the seller says, okay, special price for you, $40.
And I say, is that your best price?
Ooh, negotiation.
Yes, good phrase. Is that your best price?
And the seller laughs and says, okay, $35.
And I say, deal.
Nice. You saved $15.
Yes, and I am happy.
That was fun.
Let's do another story.
Okay.
Scene 2. Ben wants new headphones.
Yes, I need new ones. Mine are broken.
You walk into the shop.
I see many headphones.
You find one you like.
And I ask, how much are these?
Good use of are because it's plural.
Right. How much are these?
The worker says they are $80.
Oh no, too high.
Yes, so you say,
That's too much for me.
great.
The worker says, these are on sale today. They are $60 now.
And you say,
Oh, that's a good price. I'll take them.
perfect.
I feel richer in this story.
Yes, you save money. Now, let's talk about asking what is included in the price.
Good idea.
You can say, does this include tax?
Yes, tax is important.
Or, does this include the charger?
Oh, yes, chargers are not always included now.
True.
And if you want to know the final price,
Say, what's the total?
what's the total?
Good. Or, how much do I pay?
Simple. I like simple.
Let's do a small teaching moment. Listen to the rhythm. How much is this?
Soft at the start, small rise at the end.
Yes. Try.
How much is this?
Beautiful.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, now let's talk about money words.
Oh no, math?
No math, I promise.
Good.
When the price goes down, we say the price dropped.
Dropped.
And when the price goes up, we say the price went up.
Yes, I hear that on the news.
Exactly.
What about asking for a better price?
Good question. Say, can you give me a lower price?
Or is there a student discount?
Yes, if you are a student.
Or do you have a holiday discount?
Nice. Holidays often have big sales.
Can we do another mini practice?
Sure. I say a line. You give a natural answer.
Okay, let's go.
It's $80.
That's a little expensive.
Good. Next. It's on sale today.
Oh, great. How much is it now?
Very natural. Next one. You save $10.
Wow, that's a good deal.
Perfect. You sound ready for real shopping.
I am ready for all the discounts in the world.
Let's do a personal moment. Ben, what is something you want to buy?
New shoes?
Okay. Imagine the shoes cost $70.
I say, do you have these in a cheaper option?
Good.
And if they say no, I say, okay, I'll wait for a sale.
Nice patience.
Shoes always go on sale after a few weeks.
True.
What about you, Emma? What do you want to buy?
A blender.
A blender?
Yes, I want to make smoothies.
Aha, smoothie girl.
If the blender is too much, I say, I'll come back later. I'm just looking today.
Good phrase.
Yes, very soft and polite. Let's practice asking the final price.
Okay.
Can you tell me the total, please?
Sure. The total is $32.
Nice.
That feels very real.
Yes, we want real English. Let's do one more story.
Yay!
Scene 3. Emma and Ben go to a big supermarket
I get a big cart.
and fill it with snacks.
Always.
At the checkout, the worker says, "Did you find everything okay?"
And I say, yes, thank you.
Then the worker says, "Your total is $96."
I say, oh wow, did the chips cost that much?
Then the worker explains, "Some things are on sale today."
And I say, oh nice, how much did I save?
The worker says, "You saved $12."
And I smile like a champion.
Yes, you do. Let's add one more important phrase. Is this the final price?
Oh yes, good one.
This is helpful when you want to be sure about the total.
Is this the final price?
Good.
I think learners will love these today.
Me too. So useful in real life.
Can we do a small fast session?
Yes, quick fire.
How much is this?
It's $10.
Is this on sale?
Yes, 20% off.
That's a great deal.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Nice.
That was fun.
Yes, and very natural.
Okay, Emma, what are our takeaways?
Talk like this. How much is this? Is there a discount? That's too much for me. That's a good price.
And rhythm is soft and friendly.
Yes, and don't be afraid to ask questions.
Questions save money.
Exactly.
I hope our friends try these lines today.
Yes, use them when you shop, even for small things.
Even for coffee.
Yes, how much is this coffee?
I ask that every day.
Okay, friends, thank you for learning with us today.
We love helping you.
And we love saving money too.
Yes, we do.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.